If you want to restore the setting back to default on your PS5 Pro, all you have to do is access the console settings. Now go to the settings wheel icon in the top right corner and select it, and then scroll down and choose System, and then select System Software and scroll down and select Reset Options. At this point, choose Reset, or rather Restore Default Settings, select that, and then type in the console restriction passcode. Now, if you already have one set up earlier, you can type it in, but if you haven't set it up already, the default should be 0000. Now, at this point, you'll see all the settings that will be restored to default values. So you should see all the settings here. Once you have read through everything, all you have to do is select Restore, and that should restore all the settings to default. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.